COVID-19, we are going to start digital classes. So, welcome to this digital classes. I am Mrs. Neha Joshi. I am going to teach you math subject. So, student, today we are going to learn lesson number 1, basic concept in geometry. Geometry include different types of shapes, point, line segment and rays. First, we are going to study about point. Point is shown by tiny dot. What is point? Point is the exact location or position. You are familiar with the point in our day-to-day life. For example, this circular bindi is looking like point. If you want to show a specific place, you use laser pointer to show that. Next example is, if we arrange points in a pattern, we get and join them, we will get different rangoli designs. You might have seen your mother has drawn rangoli by using points. Now today we will learn what is the use of point in geometry. Point is used by tiny dot and it is named as single capital letter. One more point I will take, this is point B. Point do not have length, breadth and thickness. So this is point A, this is point B. By using point, we can draw line segment also. Now we will learn about line segment. Here I have drawn one point A. One more point I have taken point B. So if we join these 2 points, we get a line segment. This line segment has 2 endpoints which indicate that line do not extend on both sides. Line segment has definite length. Line segment examples are edges of the board. These are the example of line segment. Then edges of the book, edges of the chessboard, edges of the table is an example of line segment. Now by using point, we will learn how to draw line. Here I have taken 2 points. We will name it A, B. If we join 2 points, we get a segment. And if we take more points on both sides, we get a line. This line can extend on both sides till the end of the paper or end of the board. If your paper is long, line should be long. If paper is short, line should be short. So to show this extended line, we use 2 arrowheads. These 2 arrowheads indicate that line extend on both sides. Now I will draw one more line here. This line can be read as line L, or by using 2 points also you can read this line name. For example, line AB, line BC or line AC. In this way we can read the line and we can write line names as line L, line AB, line BC and line AC. So student, what is the difference between segment and line? Segment has 2 endpoints which we cannot extend. Line has 2 arrowheads that indicate that we can extend line on both sides. So this is the difference between segment and line. Now we will learn about ray. Have you seen sun rays? Sun rays start from sun and go example of sun rays that everybody has seen. Second example is light rays from torch. Light rays from torch also start at one point and goes forward in all direction. Now we will study how to draw ray by using point. This is point O. So through this point we can draw ray. One more point I have taken here. It has one arrowhead and one starting point. Here the starting point is called origin of the ray. So here O is the origin of the ray. This ray can be read as ray OB. It cannot read as ray PO because O is the origin of the ray. Through this origin we can draw innumerable rays. For example, these rays can be read as ray OR, ray OS, ray OP and ray OT. So O is the origin of these all rays. So innumerable rays we can draw through origin of the ray. Ray is written as ray OR, ray OS, ray OP. So student, today we have learned about point, line segment, line and ray. Next concept we will study in next class. Thank you.